Hello students, I am Ms. Shasta Sayed. I hope you all are fine and safe. Today our topic is Dancing Elves Stick Drawing Activity. Draw and color the dancing elves using stick figure drawing as shown. Start a poster. Elves are supernatural creatures of flock tales. All of you remove art and craft book. Open your book and remove page number 11. Students, we will draw same picture on this side. Now we are going to start. First you draw like this with small curve line. Draw ear, take little bit curve line, half circle, small half curve line, one more curve line. We are going to make cap, half circle, slanting line, one more slanting line. Our cap is ready. Now we are going to fill face detailing with small circle and mouth. Like this way you draw. Next step you draw two slanting line like this way and one curved line. It is look like triangle. Okay. Now we are going to draw hand. It is slanting line, slipping line and circle. Slanting line, slipping line, slanting line and standing line. Like this way you take. Now next we are going to draw leg. Like this way, little bit curved line, slanting line, one more slanting line. Like this way you draw. We are going to draw shoes. Okay. Now next picture we are going to draw. First you take curved line, small two slanting line, curved line. And here I am making cap. Then you take small circle, two curved line, curve shape give nicely. Now we are going to draw face, eyes, half circle you draw here and complete face part. Now next step we are going to draw body. Then you both side you draw like this way slanting line, curved line. Now next step we are going to draw stick, hand. So like this way. First slanting line, one more slanting line and circle. Another side you draw same slanting line and slanting line. So now next step we are going to draw leg. So like this way curved line, one more curved line, draw shoes like this way. Next, last one we are going to make here. Same face you draw here, curved line, two small standing line, curved line. Here draw two slanting line, half circle, one more big half circle you draw. In the face you draw eyes, mouth. Now our face is ready. We are going to draw head, like this way curve line. Here also one more curve line you take and take a small circle and complete head. Okay, now we are going to draw body. First slanting line, one more slanting line, and like this way curve line. Our triangle is ready. Now next we are going to draw a hand like this way, little bit curve line and circle. Here also another side curve line, circle. Leg slanting line, like this way draw curve line and shoes. Our drawing is ready. Now we are going to fill color. Now we are going to start coloring. First I am taking pink color. In this part you feel pink. In the dress also feel pink. Here feel orange color. In the face you feel yellow color. In all faces you feel yellow color. In the hand also you feel yellow color. Next we are going to fill sky blue color. Take a sky blue color. Complete the coloring. The shoes feel color. Here feel pink color. Here feel blue color. Here also feel blue color. Okay. Now our picture is ready.